Now, let me carefully explain how to fix the no internet connection in CapCut on your phone error effectively and efficiently, step by step. First, as you can see here, we should immediately check if we are connected to the Wi-Fi network properly and securely. Now, let's open any browser and simply check our internet connection status right away. Type something in the search bar and check if the internet is working now. If we have an internet connection but CapCut is still not working, then as a solution, you might want to try carefully restarting the application itself to resolve this issue. If that still doesn't work, let's try turning on and off the airplane mode for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then turn it off again to see if that resolves the issue effectively. We turn it on, and after about 10 to 15 seconds, as you can see here, we turn it off again carefully. We can also open CapCut, and as you can see here, navigate to the settings where you can carefully find and delete the cache to improve performance. I believe that if you carefully follow these 4 steps, as you can see here, everything should be fine with your internet connection. Trust me. Thank you all for watching, wishing everyone good luck, and now it's time to say goodbye.